Alright, this is Ubaid on behalf of V Electronics, and in this video we'll continue solving for word problems, okay, relevant to linear systems. Okay, so question number 45, okay, has to do with travel, okay, and a road trip, for example. Okay, the two legs of a 432-mile trip took 8 hours. Okay, the average speed for the first leg of the trip was 52 miles per hour, and the average speed for the second leg was 60 miles per hour. Okay, how long did each leg of the trip take? Okay, so we know that 432 miles. Okay, let's go ahead and solve this over here. So we know, so 432 miles over here. So 432 miles. This took about 8 hours. Okay, average speed for the first leg was 52 miles per hour. So we know that the average speed was 52x for the first leg. So we know that 52x plus 60y equals 432. Okay, so we don't know how long they traveled. Okay, so we know that x plus y equals 8. So the total time frame, okay, for the entire trip is 8 hours. Okay, however, we don't know how long they travel for each leg. Okay, so in order for you to figure this out, you will need to use either substitution or elimination. Okay, so what we can do is sub in one of the equations in the second one. All right, so to do this, you will need to rearrange the second equation, for example. Let's say this is equation number 2. So y equals 8 minus x. You will sub in this value for y in equation 1. All right, so 52x plus 60 into 8 minus x. All right, so this will give you 432. Okay, so now what you can do, you have 52x plus 60 into 8. Okay, so this will be 60 into 8. 480. Okay, minus 60x. Okay, equals 432. All right, so 52 take away 60. Let's figure this one out. So 52 minus 60. This will be negative 8x equals 432 minus 480. Okay, this is 432 minus 480. All right, so we know that x will be 432 take away 480. This will be 48 divided by 8. Negative, negative cancel out, which means x will be 6 hours. So now we know that the first leg, okay, where the individual was traveling 52 miles per hour, this leg took about 6 hours to complete. Okay, now we can use this information to figure out the total time it took for the individual to complete the second leg. Okay, so let's say this is 52, okay, into x plus 60y. Okay, so 52 into 6 plus 60y equals, okay, 432. So 52 into 6, we do the math. This will be 312. Okay, so 312, so 60y equals 432 minus 312. Okay, therefore y your y will be 120 divided by 60. This will be 2 hours. All right, so y is 2. So now we know that it took 6 hours to complete the first leg and 2 hours to complete the second leg, where the individual was traveling at 60 miles per hour. Okay, now the total distance traveled, 432 miles. Okay, total time taken to travel this distance is 8 hours. You can verify this information by subbing in x and y values in each one of these equations. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2. All right, so let's go ahead and solve the second word problem. So for the second word problem, okay, let's say this individual took 2 buses on the 260-mile trip, okay, 65 rather, from Los Angeles to Las Vegas. The first bus averaged 55 miles per hour, and the second one was able to average 50 miles per hour. If the total trip took 5 hours, then how long was spent in each bus? So now we know that you've got a total of 265 miles when it comes to distance. All right, so that's your total distance. All right, we also know that 55x plus 50y, okay, this will be 265. Okay, so 55x, okay, this will be plus, okay, 50y. All right, so 50y, this will be 265. Okay, that's your total distance driven. And we also know that x plus y equals 5 hours. So total trip. Okay, so the total time to travel 265 miles was 5 hours. Okay, so again, we can use substitution. Okay, this will be y equals 5 minus x. Okay, you sub in this value over here in the first equation, so 55 x plus 50 into 5 minus x. This will be 265. All right, so this will be 55x plus 50 into 5. All right, so this will be 50 into 5. This will be 250. 250 minus 50x, okay, equals 265. All right, so 55 take away 50, this will be 5x equals 265, subtract 250. So x will be 265 take away 250. Divide by 5. This is 3. All right, so we know that x equals 3, which basically means that the first leg over here, okay, the first bus over here rather, okay, took about 3 hours to complete the journey, and the second bus, okay, took about 2 hours to complete the journey. Okay, because x plus y equals 5. Okay, total time to complete the journey for both the buses was 5 hours. So we know that x plus y equals 5, so 3 plus 2, your left-hand side plus your y value, so x value plus your y value, your left-hand side will equal to your right-hand side. All right, so this is basically how you solve for linear systems when it comes to word problems. On behalf of V Electronics, have yourself a great day.